Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. BMW guys, and I'm talking about any BMW, and your fuel consumption indicator on your board computer on the dash doesn't show the correct fuel consumption for your vehicle. We will show you guys how to program that and how to fix it. Now, it will work guys on any BMW. We're demonstrating here on BMW 46, but practically guys, it will work on any BMW. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Let us know guys what you think. So thank you for watching guys, and let's start on it now. So the computer guys that we'll be using, it's made by Maxis. It comes with adapters, for other vehicles as well, and specific vehicles you can see right here. All that guys, that computer will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Now, what you guys need to do, you need to connect your programming device, right here to the OBD connector of your BMW vehicle now guys. And if you're in the US now, things will be just one step more complicated for you, and we'll explain why. So I'll turn the ignition on. Ignition is on for the vehicle, and this computer guys, let me just show you quick. This works not just on BMW. You can work on so many vehicles, and those are some of them that you can cover. I just want to show you quick. You can guys access, clear delete codes from every computer in your vehicle with that device. You can also guys program quite a few things. You can do engine computer replacements, programming, quite a few things guys. So I'll click BMW here. Next, we're going to go ahead and select automatic selection. We're going to enter our VIN number. This is our VIN number for the vehicle. We already entered it before, and it's going to communicate now. This is our MPG screen now. I reset it, but ours is about 2 miles off. It actually shows that the car is consuming 2 miles per gallon, more fuel than actually it is. So how do you guys correct that? We're going to go now, under service. We'll select drive, and under drive we will click guys motor electronics. This is the engine computer. And what do we need to do now? Right here we're going to select guys adjustment programs and adjustment consumption indicator. This is only 46. Other BMWs, the names might be just a little bit different depending on the generation. Now it says that the fuel consumption will be calculated in liters per 100 kilometers. So if you just Google MPG 2 liters per 100 kilometer, you just get the formula and you enter your value. Our computer shows that the car is getting it's getting 25 miles per gallon, 9.4 liters per 100 kilometers, but actually we are getting 27 miles per gallon on the highway, 88.7 liters per 100 kilometers. So what do we need to do now guys? You need to make sure that the engine light is not on, that there is no codes in the computer. The correction can be decreased by a maximum of 12% only. And it gives you all the different things here, how you need to do that. Now, it recommends that you fill your fuel tank all the way to the top. You're going to drive the car maybe for let's say my best scenario will be about 500 to 1000 miles. Calculate your fuel consumption for that mileage, and see what the board computer shows you. That way you can get an accurate reading. And then all we need to do is just click calculate new value, and then we need to enter what the computer gets here. The computer shows us that the car is getting 9.4 liters per 100 kilometers. And we need to set it to 8.7. That's the actual value that we get. Enter. and new value is programmed, and from that point on your display is programmed and it's ready to go. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. And you can end now, you can see right here, and without programming or with programming. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.